this semaphore signals with the automatic sensor, the sensor mounted, which automatically changes the signals as the trains go over. It's from Dapol, as you know. Well, it took me over a week to get a new signal. That's the old one, and I told you I'd got everything wired up, and the plate fell out, and the coupling that holds it, I can't find them anywhere. Anyway, I've got my new signal, and I've wired it up same as I was told and shown before, and it works through with the button. But I can put a switch onto that. I suppose that's going to be the easiest thing to do. It's not working off the invisible infrared light, which is supposed to change it. Anyway, I think I know why. Well, I'm certain I know why now. But as I showed you before, that's the diagram of it, and it says your main power supply in there, along with your red and black from your signal, and then your two yellows, and that's your infrared one. I put some extended leads on that. I'm just showing you here. Can do. That's it anyway, and that's the extended leads I put on, so as it reaches up through the table, which I made a spot. I'll just see it with my finger. It's there anyway, but I've taken it out now, as you can see. But it didn't work. It works to change the signal. Yeah, you can use the button on the plate there, and it'll change. I can fasten a button to it, but no, I want it to change automatically. Anyway, as I say, that's it, and that's what I got with the panel that came. And that's it as it came. It's DAP1A note. So it should have worked, it should have worked, as I say. And that's the other one that came, showing you how to set it up with the infrared there, etc, etc. But we're not working. I've gone back into Block's own site now. I got that off eBay, by the way. And of course this is what I see on Block's own site, is power supply here on the left hand side next to the detector, and then your four wires going in that side. So of course I haven't got that one, have I? Anyway, I've sent off for one now, so hopefully by next weekend I'll be able to show you it all working, hopefully. But as I say, I bought it all in good faith, and it said that it was automatic, as you can see from the instructions I got. But anyway, you live and learn, don't you? Incidentally, they're not cheap. I mean, these are £32 a piece. That's two of that, because the other one I broke. Could be partly my fault, but you know it to be very fragile here. And I just can't find the bits. Anyway, that's the new one. And of course these sensors, these blocks, they're well, they vary. I think I paid 14 for that first one. Anyway, this new one's 16, but I think what was its own, there's about 30 quid. But anyway, let's hopefully that cures it. I'll just run a couple of trays just to keep, just to show we're still running. the TTS sound on that one. Godwell. Just doing a bit of track cleaning now.